Do you dream of your teens excited to go to class and eager to learn? You're not alone. With statistics on student engagement and performance painting a bleak picture, it leaves us all wondering, how do we wake up our classrooms? Teengagement Solutions is designed to banish apathy with relevant, thought-provoking, project-based opportunities that address all of the essential skills needed for the workplace and college in the 21st century. Our purposeful, standards-based units are carefully crafted to integrate engaging materials with serious ethical questions designed to holistically develop students to become conscientious, capable contributors who can effectively operate independently and collaboratively. Plus, our unique and exciting units of study help build teacher and student relationships, while embedded professional development builds instructional capacity. Teengagement is a valuable and versatile solution that reverses apathy and builds capacity, while giving teachers the tools they need to make a difference. Visit our website to learn more about our subscription service. Teengagement Solutions. Engage your students.